Good morning. My name is Miss Swanson. How are you?
Morning. I'm alright.
And what's your name?
Johnny.
Johnny. I've seen you around the halls.
Mm-hmm.
Normally you look a lot, happier than you do right now. Can I ask what's wrong?
I got sent down here from Miss Johnson because she's always yelling at me.
Yeah? What do you mean always yelling at you?
She's always picking on me. Whenever I do anything in the class, it's always me when I'm not even the one getting into trouble.
Okay. Can I ask what she says to you?
She thought I was talking to my friend Braden, but I was just asking him for help on a math question, but she always says that I'm the one acting up. It's not me.
Okay. Well, how often does this happen?
Like every week.
Every week?
Uh-huh.
So when you're talking to your friend Braden and you're asking him you're always talking about just math? Nothing else?
Most of the time, yeah.
Yeah? Do you try and talk to Miss Johnson and let her know that,
Well, right when she was yelling at me, I went up to her and I totally was like, no, I wasn't doing that and stuff like that. And then she's like, I don't have time for this. And then sent me out of here.
Okay. Well, when you approach her,
Uh-huh.
do you approach her with anger or do you...
Yeah, I'm ticked off.
Yeah? Well, I can understand that. You feel,
She hates me.
I don't think she hates you.
Then why would she just be picking on me all the time?
Well, teachers, they don't pick on students. You might think she does, but she may be trying just to refocus you and, I'm sure, how are you academically in her
I
class?
suck.
By you saying you suck, what does that mean?
And I'm failing her class because I can't do anything right and she knows I'm stupid.
Well, when you say you can't do anything right, what kind of grades do you get?
I've got a C- right now.
A C-? That's not bad.
It's not an A.
But could you make it into an A?
Not in her class.
Do you find it difficult in her class? Like the workload and...
She goes so fast and I don't understand anything of what's going on in there.
Okay. Do you ask questions?
No.
No. Do you think maybe that could be the cause of some of the problem?
Maybe.
Well, when you talk to your friend Braden, are you
Uh-huh.
asking him about math questions, or are you just talking about,
Well, at the beginning of the year, we were talking about other stuff, and then she kept on, getting in trouble, or getting me in trouble and everything like that. And, now I just ask him about math questions.
Okay, so you are asking for help. Well, maybe if you talk to Ms. Johnson and, let her know that you're asking him for help and that you're struggling, maybe, she would be able to help you. Ask her maybe if she'd be willing to come in the morning or stay in the afternoon and help you with math.
She would want to stay and work with me.
I don't think that's true. You seem like a very nice young man and very smart. What hobbies do you have? Are you interested in anything? Do you like to play sports?
Yeah.
Yeah? What kind of sports do you like to play?
Basketball.
Are you good at basketball?
No.
Have you tried out for the team?
I was gonna, but I don't know if I should. I'll probably just, look like a fool and nobody's gonna want to be on the team.
I think you should try out. I think it'd be great for you. And I think you're probably a lot better than you think you are.
But, what happens if I get up there and I'm terrible and everybody's making fun of me?
Nobody will make fun of you.
No one? Not one person's
No
gonna laugh
one.
at me?
No.
How do you know that?
Well, I don't know that, but you have to try.
I don't even know what I'd do if that happened.
Well, you practice more, you get better. You laugh it off with them. You're never good at one thing right when you start. You have to practice, and it takes time.
That's what my dad says.
Well, your dad's a very smart person, just like you.
Yeah.
Okay? And, and with going on with Miss Johnson, I think if you just talk to her and you let her know you're struggling and that you want extra
Good morning,
help,
teachers and students.
then I
Today
think,
is Friday.
then I think, she'll see that your potential and that you are trying and that you want to do better and that, it's not that she doesn't like you. She wants you to be focused. That's why she keeps talking to you.
My teachers all say that I'm not focused. I don't even know what that means.
Well, it just means that you're not putting in, the attention that is required of you during class time. That, your attention goes more towards other things that aren't related to the class. And, and that's okay every now and then. alright? To take a little mental break away. But you gotta, come back.
How do I come back? What does that mean?
Well, give yourself some time if you need a little bit of time to, doodle on a piece of paper. And then, draw your little picture, be done with it, and then
I
focus
did that
back
one
on-
time in class, and then my teacher saw me drawing, and she took it away, and then she wrote me up.
She wrote you up for drawing. What did you
Uh-huh.
draw?
Like, just stupid pictures of people, like, ninjas fighting.
Alright, well that's a little violent. Maybe she
Yeah.
was concerned about, your picture and the drawing that you created.
Maybe.
Did you talk to her about the drawing?
No, 'cause I got sent to the principal's office.
Did you talk to the principal about your drawing?
Yeah.
And what did they say?
They just told me not to do it again and to be more careful about what I was drawing.
See?
Yeah.
Alright, so we gotta change the way you're thinking. Maybe not something violent so you don't get in trouble. Maybe draw stuff that's happy, stuff that makes you happy. Draw you playing basketball.
I'm not that
Shooting
good
a-
of an artist.
Everyone's different. Everyone has their own level of talent. And as long as you think you're a good artist, that's all that matters.
Yes.
Everyone will have their opinion in life. But, it's ultimately how you feel. And I would love to see some of your artwork. I'd love for you to come in and show me what you
You're not
can
gonna
draw.
laugh at it?
No, I would not laugh at it. I love all types of art.
Okay, maybe I'll show you something.
I would love that. And if it's, if you would allow me to, I'd love to, maybe hang it up on my wall somewhere. Display it for everybody to see.
Okay.
I think you have a lot of talent, and I think you're a very smart young man, and I think you're very focused and driven, and, I think you'll be very successful.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Swanson.
You're very welcome.